Mga kuan na sila day no, murag tiguang na.
Kuku. Kuku. Tanaw siya nako. Kuku.
Dili ka nagdangka dito. Ay, makagawas di ay sila.
Oo.
Kuku.
Daghan kay mga pikak guys. So, ani ataron sa taytong Eco Park o Organic Eco Park guys. Tanawa, nay usa nga naa sa gawas.
Maduo ra.
Kay ang tingog tinausab man moong nagkuan siya.
Di ba masako sila kuan?
Ayan ang cute nila oh. Lalo kung kulay white yan. At tira mo yung paa niya oh. Tinago niya yung paa niya oh. Oo. Ganyan pala sila magpalutang oh. Sana ganyan tayo gagaan lumangoy.
Sama ni pagsap.
Hi Santa, huwag kang umakyat ng Christmas tree. Ang gift is nandito kami, walang tao sa taas. Santa, huwag kang umakyat dyan, nandito kami. Bigay mo sa amin yung regalo. Ako sa ibang angle. Dito sa kabila. Hindi, dito sa kabila kasi iba yung... Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Dito sa kabila, dito. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ulo ni dinosaur hindi makita. O, sige, talon. 1, 2, 3. One more, talon. 1, 2, 3. Kana. Sige. Oo. Kaon. Kluk, 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 kluk. Oh, nya kabuto natong kamot. Ah! Happy siya. Kluk, 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 kluk. Sige, sige, picturean ti. Kluk, 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 kluk. Come on. Come on. Klak.
Ganyan sa Tagay, itang pagkaon.
Nangayong pagkaon. Kaluoy pod, walay pagkaon.
Wow, det går godt sige.
Hutaya. Hai. Yung sorry, no food. Only flying kiss. Ah. Click. Happy New Year. No food. Sorry. Bye. See you next time. Kaluoy. I-picture ko.
Sana may selfie stick ni, no?
Oo. Wala na ako nadala, te.
Ano, Lara? Tapos iba tayo lahat. Oo. Iba ako. Mamaya. Hindi pa tapos iba.
So guys, we are leaving. Our grand tour is over. So we are leaving New Dinosaur. We are leaving the Taitung Organic Eco Park. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing the video. Or if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Thank you everyone. Saan? Wala akong suot.
Yung picture lang, kopya ng name ng one part.
Oo. So, mangadto nami sa among bus. Makakapi pa tayo, makakapi. Thank you. Happy New Year.
We're going home.
So bus number 3. We are on bus number 3.
Alam kayo sa kuya ninyo? Sa mga kapatid ninyo, nagpaalam kayo?
Pang final ate, pang final. Mami!
Kasi, ano ko hindi?
Ate Cherry, dito ka. Ayan.
Ay, ako yung vlog yan.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I did it.
Thank you. Hingman Street, Saiwan. So guys, we arrived finally. The grand tour for this January 1st, 2025 is over. Thank you again. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Hope for the good luck, prosperity, good health for this new year 2025.
Kaya ako nagpili.
Kape-kapehan na. Ako din sana, pero wala eh. Sabayan ako. Eh, ano natin mamaya? So guys, ako ang pinaka-last dito sa loob ng bus. Thank you again. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Oo, ano, tignan ko si Angel na dahil sa ano. Sa ganda ba? Sa picture.
Ah, si Angel?
Saan na kaya?
Magpa 7-Eleven ako, mami. Ano ko yun?
Samahan ko pa.
Sige.
Then, kasi bibili ako ng vegetable.
Sige. Kasi itap up ko yun kay ano.